Hello, Igbo ndamanje ekene m unu biko. Oge wee si ka attack ya this woman ya na Jpac maka na nke ha akarịa ka anyị ga ya ntị n'onu mali ya ọ na-akọ ngwa.
Listen, follow the simple instruction. Ask him Igbo when the camera will try to get when the camera there. Let's see what you have. I put the thing, it doesn't appear like that, but I never heard anything. Everything. And give a family and went for it. You put the other one every year.
Ogechukwu Njaka in a live program. You put on Facebook, you sitting back, you water, imagine you call yourself a married woman. I'm gonna lay your profile on you. Let one want to borrow tea. I am well now. What the kind of tea now? Sorry, the kind of tea now, no too much. In America, good team teach the good shade of spot. Tia home, approach a complete man. Because of the complete man, or Gano, 3 young women on Facebook. Now, commanding Madam Monday, Nava, and where go Monday, Monday, Nebenka. Man, if you see support your morality, if you see about their morality, if you see about their week, if you see put on Facebook, you can't see how without my command, if I be age, yeah, I be money. If I obu ejiri mara Igbo, arụ na mpụ ka eji mara Igbo. Na candidate ya maka because na anụ ihe sị na Igbo onye Igbo sị na Igbo ọnụ. Ị na-asị na ị na-anụ di, mgbe efu na ọ dị ka ọgụ ma na-enye di gị nne ị na America na-ekonụkọ because na ọgụ abụ obodo nne ụzọ mụta di ọkpara. Di gị nke ele na m anya dịka di ekechi n'okwu ji mọtụrụ kpuchie because ọ bụla di gị bụ ema na enough na ịbụ mmanụ zuru oke. You can't forget one day online. I support him on it. Oh, do too. Now, but I support okay. Oh, do too. I support Abosho. Oh, do too. Ogechukwu Njaka. I'm going to say this nonsense in there. You which nigga that was selling this. As Nana. I'm going to say I'm not trying to spoil your business. Or building a charity foundation. Good and fine. Good luck for you. But when I can do one, good and fine. Not if I try to. Man, I came on the against. Came on to go. Man, I go to say criticize. Good man, I go to support no. In came on the against. They put online. See what keep put when a public. The whole world then come on. Then Mobile one. Now, I'm going to go to I can walk in the name. If you will. Okay, see the Maro. And man who was a bear on a fool. Now, who went on the end. Okay, she. He may borrow your supporting immorality. You're not supporting immorality. A better day when they follow you. They follow you. Why you're gonna enjoy no wine, you know, America, you know, Europe, you know, Germany, you know, Asia. Enjoy no wine. 70 and 80% of wine and on Facebook and I know online and her last. I'm not trying to breaking of homes. I'm trying to 2-3 months to break a home because no relationship, no courtship, no communication. You don't know the person character in mind. You tell why fly here down to Ani. Fly here down to Ani. You carry a Rogana. Oh, more awful baby sister, you know, I don't do that with Facebook. Fly down. I'm going to follow online. You like here. Fly down, but up there to say. Then the man on your boss. Man or soup outcast, man or that family home and arrow, man a family home is soon, man a family are one again, I will let tomorrow. You try to do, I I'm not why by sight. I'm not why and why Amaka, Nara water, on a church, or to the Mabu, the Aka, Agapu. That's why I put on land on Able. I'm out, money, go working up. Why? You don't blame young, why you bring I'll run up and woman. But I don't know, you know, the child lady, they like ye twice. Open a family background, I had okay. Nah, wow, 440. Money to age. So in a medical program, now Kawaraha, nature no, image call, trace the lady to be there, trace the guy to be there. Man, the guy in a hook up, or Bonyohi on a Zohini room. Man, I walk in a hook, one up, came up with a hairfire, came up with a baby, on cook on it. Oh, when a human traffic, eh? On a marrow, if I want to see a innocent side. Until the day to abroad to do it. Papa Jan enough for baby. Only come home now, more for money. I don't do to aware of me. Where I catch. Why are you ready? I connect young to work in that. Where oh, they dress you young. Manana, no Ogechukwu they dress you young. Manana, no Ogechukwu Njaka. Stop misleading people. Ogechukwu Njaka. I want this now. Nobody age money. I want this now. Nobody age money. Ogechukwu Okeke Njaka. Ogechukwu Okeke Njaka.
I want you to watch this photo. You watch I want you to focus on this pants. You focus on it. Now, wait again. I want you to watch this photo. I want you to focus on this pants. Good. I want you to watch it very well. And also, I want you to watch this one too. This is Onyo Obodoless man. This is also him, right? I want you to watch it. This is him, and this is also him. I want you to focus on these pictures. Now, Jpac came out and said that Ogechi Namnaba Umuwokoto while I was creating my content. While Jpac intentionally naked himself. Obodoless man intentionally naked himself. They intentionally wore the pants that the guy wore. I'm sorry, naked. You saw because I mentioned Damo, right? It's because of I mentioned Damo. I said, listen to the video very well. I said, please remove your panty before the first panty inside. The same pants Jpac is wearing on this particular video, on this particular content. I was creating content in the name of matchmaking content. Now, the big offensive, because Ogechi, I was the moving train then. And when you let Jpac in any pants. Now, the video you watch, and when I'm the guy here, but I can't come with Jpac here. Same thing applicable to Onyo Obodo. Now, I have agreed though, but to case in the bottom when to themselves. Jpac naked himself by himself in the name of creating content. Obodoless man naked himself in the name of creating content. Now, what did I do wrong? Why are people calling me? While the people, the so-called men that claimed that I'm nakeding other men, are the one now nakeding themselves. Now, my brother, Seaman Global, I had a lot of people saying, Ogechi, I'm looking for your contact. My brother, I don't need anybody's contact. Contact in Kemwene. I don't look for contact. Contact look for me. Like I said earlier, I listened to your video. You're just a nice person. I'm not going to dispute it. It's quite unfortunate that this matter reached to your destination. I have vowed with my life, with everything I said, product Wola Jpac must be a saga product. It does not matter who will take the product personally to commercial for free. That is not my business. Okay, if somebody is going to do commercial and commercial the product for free, why are you guys now paying? You have seen that my mission has been accomplished. Because if the money you pay Jpac to do commercial and somebody else will volunteer and rent, then if someone can volunteer, rent camera for 200 and something thousand naira and told the commercial perfectly well. What is the essence of paying Jpac? Now Jpac has become valueless. That is where I'm targeting, and it's beginning to make sense. Now another thing is that my brother, I am Seaman Global. I heard you're a very nice man because you spoke the first time I see you. You spoke the second time I heard you. You're a very nice man. Jpac said that he did not bring up my father, but now he said that he only posted my father because he wants to wish my father rest in peace. You saw the video, the first video that played before this particular one. Jpac started sagaring me before I even knew. Even I kept silent then, I was not replying him. The same way I'm keeping silent to some prostitutes that sagaring me now. When I will come out, you know, watching Ogechukwu Jpac sagared me for years. Even when my father, Jpac had to go and dig it. I don't know why he keep lying. You can see how young Jpac was in this video. And thank God for the less man that's also using his private part, the ammo, and showing to the world. Now, when Jpac started staggering me, Jpac was so young. Look at that video. Now, Jpac, you said you had no dispute or no problem with me. You brought out a picture. Even if you saw the picture somewhere, what gave you the audacity when I have not posted that picture for anybody to wish me rest in peace? What gave you the audacity? What gave you the right to post my father's picture? If I'm about to ask you, now you want to wish me rest in peace. The same video, the same picture you used to saga me, the same picture that you used and saga me. A man who came in a few days back, you brought out my mother, showing my mother on the blue app. Few days the years back he used to my father. As I'm talking to you, edging picture and pagging and maggie, but I will not show it. You know why? They are not my target. You are my target. I'm known about your father, but I will not tomorrow. Don't forget to join me tomorrow. But one thing I will not do is to use your father's picture to saga you, because those sagas then is over. I'm not gonna do it again. But you brought up my mother a few days ago because you want to do what? You want to saga me. You accused my mother at the same process. So anybody that telling you, August man, it's better you go for free ad. All these people run ad through Jpac. You better you go for free ad, because I'm actually free ad. For them then I know just say public consumption. So Jpac, you can see that my mission is getting somewhere. So you that saying that Ogechi that I'm jealous of Jpac. Jpac again go. So for those of you that state that I'm jealous in Jpac, please Jpac when again. Do you know Imam Fuma? You better ask questions before get chema. Who they agree really? Ogechi bidonu uzo, buguzo hunzo, maybe investment. So anybody coming out and I'm making jealous, that person is a fool. People at home when actually destroy other people's business when he started fighting Ako. People at home when you was calling Ako audio billionaire. People at home people between my father more choir. People at home people between my mother more choir. People at home when you are fighting Zion. People at home people when Zion or Barageki with the less man and the when you lost bleaching sun have poison. People did not see when you said that Ndoka used you. People did not see when you want to, and we are in every conversation Mary Basara Ebukobi and that movement Basara anything Basara Church Ebukobi and that movement of arresting Udela. You were there and I was there as well. So you cannot come and accuse a church because you got personal vendetta with Ako, and you started labeling all lies. The same you that had given us clue and the plan how to execute Onyobudu plan, how to arrest him. The same way that he would take and one who the plan he would now came out and said that Ndo Kamere Gigene. You understand what I mean? See, Jpac, listen to me. Your enemy cannot overnight become your lover. You guys said I'm looking for contacts. I pity you. It's the same hungry ifus that thought to Hana Kuzirogo are looking for your contacts, not Ogechi. Imagodinam too much. You that been around me know that Ogechi had him too much. And number thing, is you don't have brain. I'm a woman. You will be the one to listen this game. And when any business person got a product to your war, a product of saga, which is my mission, I will saga everything. Anything. That is what you owe my father and my mother an apology. Nothing, no Jupiter. And when I'm that will stop it. So see, man, Global, I'm sorry. You're not my problem, my brother. Jpac, you owe me an apology. You can never be my problem because I don't have no problem with you. Just that it's quite unfortunate that you fall into the circle. And you made a statement that nobody on earth will make you to hate Jpac. That was never my mission. My mission is that everything that Jpac lays hands must become a Saga product. So you can love him for all I cares. My brother, please, with all honesty, people that are advising you not to call me, please don't call me, because I don't need contact from anybody. You spoke like a nice man. You're a very nice man. I'm not gonna dispute that. But anything that associates with every weapon,